Okay, sanibonani. After Mash and Masha izolo mina engaphumelelanga ukuya kuyona ngila eGoli, but ngoJanuary ngiyafika kule yase-Addington because bengiseThekwini, so angisiyi I'm not even a social media activist. I don't have followers per se. Or so kuba yila bantu abayaye balunguze epagini lami bafunda bakufundayo baphume bahambe. So I'm not even making money out of it at all. So engingakusho nje ukuthi mangikhona endaweni and then ngiyaparticipate, mina ngihlala kwikhompyutha and kuwukuthi if ngibe khona ngesiqu. So I am in Johannesburg right now, so I couldn't attend. But I know ukuthi if genuinely IFP, not ANC, IFP, MKP, and them who had encouraged their members to go participate, the attendance there would have been 10 times the number of people who went to participate. So they sent only those few that they selected to make as if they are participating. Now, which brings me to the point I'm trying to make, which is about Utamintuli, Premier Tamintuli. Are you saying Premier Tamintuli is trying to fight illegal immigration? I'm gonna say Ninamanga. That there's a phenomenon which gets used by Cyril Ramaphosa and his DAs, the practitioners of the New World Order. I saw it here repeatedly here in Soweto. Soweto is a township of sellouts who are similar to Tamintuli. So, and his type of IFP. In Soweto, most males are sellouts. Like these, Soweto males are qualified male prostitutes. That's the job that's the job they're supposed to do. You are better off with a Soweto woman than a male. Males of Soweto are sellouts. So I saw in entities that I participated in quickly that, okay, there's people who get planted in those entities to act as though they're part of the objectives of the given kanti badla leyo nto from within. So ilento engayiqaphela first time ngi-attend imatch ye-Operation Dudule eyayisuka eDeep Extreme Park eyaMtswaledi yaholwa uyena Nhlanhla Lux. Ngaqaphela lapho ukuthi uNhlanhla Lux is not a good person, and then ngathe mangitatisha futhi ngilalele nje ney'nkulumo ezishiwo ilabantu mase sibuyele emuva e-Extreme Park, ngaqaphela ukuthi okay khona asebefakiwe batshaniwe. Vele ngangibonile ngokuthi ngathi mina khona-ke kuhamba kanjani ukuthi kube nemashi ebike emenyezelwa kanje kodwa iy'tolo zama-foreigners bezi-operate. Ngithi there wouldn't be a single foreigner shop operating if kunemashi yalolo hlobo. Kusho ukuthi sekunama-communication ukuthi ningakhathazeki, qhubekani nidayise noma simasha, meaning that information will be coming from Operation Dudula folk who are in leadership. So vele ngiye sengivele nginey'nsolo but ngaparticipate ngenza ama-calculation ngabona ukuthi okay kukhona lokhu engikubonayo. Kuthe-ke abantu be-ANC, angisiyi-ANC mina, but abantu be-ANC basenzela umusa basikhombisa ukuthi uNhlanhla Lux ubani. Ithe uma besikhombisa lezo y'thombe zabo Rob Herzog and them, okuyosho ukuthi ukhona la kuma-Epstein issues ke lapho, because abo Rob Herzog bakhona kwi-pedophilia and all those things abo Epstein. So now then it means okay sabona lapho ukuthi okay kuhamba kanje. So Ramaphosa uyabaplanta abantu. Here's the deal, guys. Cyril Ramaphosa, Helen Zille, the ANC of Cyril Ramaphosa and the DA, they are for open borders. It's not a mistake. They are for open borders. So is the EFF. All right. All those three organizations are for open borders. Now let's look at Tamintuli wase-KZN. Konje ofakwe wobani lapha e-KZN, ofakwe i-DA ka Helen Zille ne-ANC ka Ramaphosa. All right. So labantu abamfakile, they are for open borders. So you want to tell me, would you, he has the ability to fight against open borders, whereas the people who set him up as the premier, and therefore he owes the people who are for open borders. The DA is for open borders. That is why it is they who are employing illegal immigrants. It is whites and Indians. They are DA. It is they who are employing them. And for that matter, just to make clear ukuthi akho lutho esilindile kuThambintuli. uThambintuli ukwazi ukuqeda amaZulu enza ubugebengu within 6 months, ukwazi ukuqeda ama-construction mafia awamaZulu, kodwa awamaNdiya nawabelungu awayeka, okuyiwona responsible for billions of financial say cases and thuggery, ekuwukuthi those Zulu ones were not even close to getting. Bebesalula ama-crumbs laba amaZulu wa prioritize bona. Laba ababelungu namaNdiya akaze he has never been set with ratepayers of Durban to know what are construction mafias of whites and Indians doing in our city centers. It doesn't know and doesn't give a damn as long as abelungu bakhe labamqashile bemtshela ukuthi yenze nje kwenele. So I'm a ratepayer in Durban, have been a ratepayer in Johannesburg. I know what our issues are, and we can see what construction mafias called whites and Indians are doing in our areas through politicians. So he is that type of politician. Uqede abantu abazilwelayo balwela ukudla kwabo abamaZulu bama-truck uThambintuli. So these happened within 6 months, and then ubulale iy'gebengu zamaZulu as more than 1,000 by now. uThambintuli akaze awadubule nomshangano oyedwa ontshontshe iy'moto lezi ezidlula from la eSoweto eziyahamba ngo-N2 wase-KZN yakhe eziyodlula lapha eJozini iManguzi. Ukazwa bathi babulala amashangane la azigebengu, i-car smuggling iholwa amashangane. Kawabezwa bethola iy'gebengu zama-vendors ze-gas ku-Transnet Pipeline? No. Bazi nje ukuthi amaZulu yizigebengu, abelongo bagcwele ababathinta nakubathinta. Nkosi yami yabo bakhuliswe kanjalo ukuthi lawo makhaya kuyaqhamuka kuwo. So that's what that's how his approach reflects. So okay, ngambona uJacinta egijima lapha kuThambintuli na ay, come on. He's like a lentuza inhlanhla. These are people who work within the system to destroy the system. Ufuna ukutshela ukuthi wena umuntu oqeda ama-construction mafia amaZulu within 6 months obulala amaZulu amaningi kanje, more than 1,000 Zulu criminals. Angithi amaphoyisa areport kuThambintuli. So uye uThambintuli othumelela amaphoyisa ukuthi unblock ningangeni epoint uthi uThambintuli point yama-foreigner. It's a castle, it's a stronghold yama-foreigner. Kungenwa sekune-no-go zone eThekwini ekuthiwa indawo yama-foreigner. So uthumela amaphoyisa ukuthi azoniblock ukuthi akungenwe point uThambintuli. Amaphoyisa areport again. So nango-July 2021 wazi kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani. So these people, so you want to tell me ukuthi he's trying to drive out foreigners? Mustani ukuwasta isikhathi ngabantu abakanje. I'll leave it at that. There's no Thambintuli who's trying to fight against illegal immigrants. He owes his being to the DA and the ANC organizations, which are for open borders. So he's making as if he's fighting illegal immigrants to bluff his IFP loyal followers and other gullible people. But he's another Klantlax. He's another Cyril Ramaphosa working within the ANC to bring down the ANC on behalf of white capital. The same story. So don't waste my time. There's only 200 illegal immigrants awaxoshile in 6 months. But the KZN, there are 3 million illegal immigrants. With his determination used against Zulu criminals, by now, almost every day, there will be trains and trains of illegal immigrants being deported. Nothing like that is happening.